Trucks Galore by Peter Stein, read by Grandma Vic. Trucks galore. Oh, looks like an oil truck. Wide truck, thin truck, out truck, in truck, hot truck, cold truck, big, bad, bold truck. Strong truck, weak truck, hide and seek truck, rock truck, dirt truck, yum, dessert truck. Trucks and more trucks. Open door trucks, heavy load trucks, shake the road trucks. Bad truck, moo truck, cock-a-doodle-doo truck, oink truck, cluck-cluck truck, quacking in a duck truck. Trucks on job sites working hard. Trucks protecting, standing guard. Hey, you trucks, clean up that yard. Outer space truck, out of place truck, song and dance truck, lost his pants truck. Burning building, screeching tires, water gushing, trucks for fires. Bird truck, weird truck, bushy beard truck, round truck, bent truck, circus tent truck. Trucks and even more trucks. Loaded roads of trucks galore trucks. Stranded auto stuck in muck. Not for long, tow it truck. Stinky garbage, outta here. Trucks can make it disappear. High-tech new truck, go, go, go. Creaky old truck, go so slow. Silly smash trucks, crazy crash trucks, lunging leap trucks, time for sleep trucks. A sea life truck, what fishy fun. Look out below, you might catch one. Trucks with cakes and big balloons, party trucks play party tunes. Daring brave truck, in a cave truck, creaky bridge truck, on a ridge truck. Trucks bring presents, you're in luck. Pull the handle. Thank you, truck. Trucks will work till work is done. Trucks are cool. They're number one. A truck for you. Hey, Hey, sounds like fun. Honk, honk. Trucks will work till work is done. Trucks are cool. They're number one. The end.